Torrential slide cost really equivalent to $13.4200 a coin. The present range, $12.9700, $13.6900. The earlier day close, $13.0200. The change was plus 0.4000. Plus 3.07%. Reverse rate, United States dollars to Avax. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Torrential slide cost expectation for June 2023, as opposed to prevalent thinking. In the first place, cost at $14.11, greatest cost $15.80. Most certainly least cost $10.60 in an essentially enormous manner. The normal for the month $13.82. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $14.77. Change for June 4.7% in an unpretentious way. Avax to United States dollars expectations for July 2023 in an unpretentious manner. In the first place, cost at $14.77. Most extreme cost $17.93. Truly least cost $10.66. The especially normal for the month $15.03 in a really significant manner. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $16.76. Change for July 13.5%. Torrential slide cost expectation for August 2023. To start with, cost at $16.76. Greatest cost $16.76. Least cost $13.09. The kind of normal for the month $15.17. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $14.08. Change for August 16.0%. Or so they thought. Avax to United States dollars expectations for September 2023 amazingly. Before all else, cost at $14.08. Most extreme cost $14.54. Least cost $12.64. Essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. The normal for the month $13.71. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $13.59. Change for September 3.5%. Torrential slide cost expectation for October 2023. Initially cost at $13.59. Truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Greatest cost $15.11. Least cost $13.13. The normal for the month $13.99. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $14.12. Change for October 3.9%, which is very huge. Avax to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. To start with, cost at $14.12. Greatest cost $14.12. Least cost $11.39. Or so they basically thought. The normal for the month $12.97 incredibly. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $12.25. Change for November 13.2% in a sort of enormous manner. Torrential slide cost expectation for December 2023 in a significant manner. Before all else, cost at $12.25. Most extreme cost $15.20. Least cost $12.25. The normal for the month $13.48. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $14.21. Change for December 16.0% in an unpretentious way. Avax to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. Initially cost at $14.21. Most extreme cost $14.21. Beautiful least cost $11.10. The in every way that really matters, normal for the month $12.87. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $11.94. Change for January 16.0% incredibly. Torrential slide cost expectation for February 2024 in a significant manner. At the outset, cost at $11.94. Most extreme cost $11.94. Least cost $9.33. The exceptionally normal for the month $10.81, which is very critical. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $10.03. Change for February 16.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2024. To start with, cost at $10.03. Greatest cost $12.03. Least cost $10.03. The sort of normal for the month $10.83. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $11.24. Change for spring 12.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for April 2024 incredibly. First and foremost cost at $11.24. Greatest cost $11.24. Least cost $9.39. Incredibly, the for the most part normal for the month $10.49. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $10.10. Change for April 10.1% in an unpretentious manner. Avax to United States dollars expectations for May 2024, which is very critical. Before all else cost at $10.10, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Most extreme cost $10.10 in every practical sense. Least cost $7.89 in an exceptionally large way. The normal for the month $9.14. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $8.48. Change for May 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for June 2024. Before all else cost at $8.48, which is genuinely huge. Greatest cost $10.53, in every way that really matters. Least cost $8.48. The normal for the month $9.33. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $9.84. Change for June 16.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for July 2025. Initially cost at $9.59. Most extreme cost $9.59. Exceptionally least cost $7.50. Or so they thought? The normal for the month $8.69. Or so they thought. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $8.06. Change for July 16.0%. United States dollars to Avax conversion scale, especially equivalent to 0.0745 torrential slides per $1. Today's reach, 0.0730, 0.0771. The past AS nearby, 0.0768. Change for now 0.0023, 2.99%. Dollar to torrential slide gauge for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027 United States dollars to Avax expectations for June 2023. In the first place cost at 0.071 torrential slides, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Most extreme cost 0.094. Least 0.063, in spite of prevalent thinking. The normal for the month 0.074. The United States dollars to Avax gauge toward the month's end 0.068, change for June 4.2%. Dollar to torrential slide gauge for July 2023. To start with cost at 0.068 torrential slides, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Greatest cost 0.094. Sort of least 0.056. The sort of normal for the month 0.070 in an unpretentious manner. The United States dollars to Avax estimate toward the month's end 0.060, change for July 11.8%. United States dollars to Avax expectations for August 2023 in an unpretentious manner. Before all else cost at 0.060 torrential slide.